Welcome back to the channel, Mud Boats and Beers. This is our final video of 2023. Just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of our subscribers. When we came back in January this year, we had about 700 subscribers. Now, December 2023, this is the 21st, we're just about to nudge 4,000. Blown away by the support that we're receiving from everybody who watches. There's been some great comments. We've had a couple of really cool trips this year. We've been out to, we started off in Morton earlier on in the year. We went up to Kingaroy to the Bacon Fest. Where else have we been? We've been to the Glassy a couple of times. We've been over to Stratty. We've just been everywhere this year. It's been a cracking year for the channel. So it's also been a pretty big year for the Cruiser. We've done a lot of modifications on it this year, from the new Canopy 12-volt setup, putting airbags in, we got the seats in, aftermarket stereo, sound deadening, oh, the list goes on, radius arms, 35s, new wheels, light bar, roof, the list goes on. We did have a little bit of an accident last week though. You'll notice at the minute, I don't know if you can see it in the frame, but the canopy's not on the car at the minute. That's because we might have ripped the door off coming out of the garage. I'll throw some pictures up of the aftermath of it. Anyway, the canopy's being fixed. We'll have it ready for Stratty in February. But note to self, remember to close the canopy door before you drive out of the garage. Just saying. Next year, we've got a lot of good trips lined up. We're heading, Andy's heading up to Fraser with Babes very early in January. We got a Stratty trip coming up in February, middle of next year, August. We're heading out to Monday to the bash out there past Broken Hill, and heaps of other one-day trips and other trips in the middle of it. Andy's just got himself a new canopy, so we're doing his best ever canopy build next week. So in time for the Fraser trip, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody for everything this year, for all your support, and we cannot wait to get back in 24 and just do the same all over again. Thanks again. Have a wonderful Christmas, an amazing new year, and look after yourself.
The streets feel alive. We're mixed with life. Goes down, blown down, and life shines back. Going fast, such a blast on a train, on a boat, on a plane. So good to feel the rush again. And it's never coming down. We're invincible.
That is beautiful. I may have lost the two bags of wood that were here. Not sure where. Could be anywhere at this point. Love it.
Yeah, a little bit there. That's it.
If you can bring your thong up, I'll be so impressed. Oh, that's not that. Oh, that's so moist.
That sounds like Indian.
There we go. I
There you go, as dead as you want.
Yeah, fuck him. I got it! Yes! Result! I didn't even do a plugger.
It's alright.
Bro, this thing has so much character.
It's a love mark.
Yeah.
So
So much character. It's all good, bro.
Like, seriously.